Hi, welcome to Yoga TX. My name is Crystal and I've got a quick 10-minute morning flow for you. Let's get started. We'll start at the top of our mat. Find stillness through your feet and we'll just sway a little bit right and left. Let your arms be loose. You can let them tap your body wherever your hands naturally land. A little bit of twisting right here. And then start to dwindle that motion. Find stillness. Mountain pose. Shine your palms forward. Take an inhale. And an exhale. And one more like that. Deep breath in. Mouth open. Let it go. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands. Step it back to downward facing dog. Feel free to pedal your heels out. Maybe swivel your hips right and left. Shake out the head. And bend your knees, look forward. Walk, hop, or step to the top of your space. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, straight back down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant your hands. This time, right foot steps forward, stays forward, left foot steps back. Rise up, warrior one. Breathe here. Ground your back heel. Feel free to adjust your feet as needed. Then take another inhale here. As you exhale, spin, open, warrior two. Flip your right palm, inhale, reverse it. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, two straight legs, reverse triangle. And as you exhale, take it to triangle. Start with your arms parallel to the earth and reach the right hand forward. Tick-tock the arms when you can't reach anymore. Right hand can find the shin or the floor. Know that it's okay to keep a slight bend in your front knee. Think about stacking your hips here. So press your bottom right hip forward. Pull your top left hip back in space. And then inhale, look up at your left thumb. As you exhale, spin the left arm overhead. Both hands down. Turn all 10 toes to the wide edge of your mat. Wide-legged fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, let the head be heavy. As you inhale, bend your back left knee, Skandasana. And exhale, crawl forward. Frame your front right foot with your hands. Step it back. Optional vinyasa here, heart opener. And we'll meet in downward facing dog. Bend your knees, look forward. Travel to the top of your space. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Drop your hips. Reach the arms up. If that feels like a lot, bring your hands to prayer at your heart space. And keep the left knee as it is. Step your right foot back. Find warrior one here. Reach the arms up. Settle in. Again, feel free to adjust your feet. Ground through both feet. Take an inhale. Exhale, spin, open, warrior two. Flip your left palm, inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, two straight legs, reverse triangle. Exhale, find triangle, reach the left hand forward, then tick-tock the arms. Breathe here. Again, press your bottom left hip forward. Top right hip pulls back. Stack the hips. Then inhale, look up at your right thumb. Exhale, spin the arm overhead. Turn all 10 toes to the wide edge of your mat. Inhale, halfway. Exhale to melt. From here, turn your toes out, heels in. Bring your hands back to your thighs. Find goddess pose. You can pause here with hands on the thighs, or for more energy, reach your arms up. Any stillness or movement is welcome. I always like to say this pose is hard no matter what you choose. So maybe you float the heels, maybe you move your arms through space, or maybe you just stand in your power. From here, shift to your right, Skandasana. Take an inhale. Exhale, crawl the hands forward to your left foot. Step it back, optional vinyasa. We meet in downward facing dog. Inhale, float your right heel up. Exhale, find pigeon, right knee towards your right wrist, right foot towards the left wrist. You can shimmy the left foot back, or you can also bend the knee out to the side. You choose to stay lifted or crawl your hands forward. Hands back underneath the shoulders. Step both feet back, downward facing dog. Inhale, float the left heel. Exhale, pigeon on the left side. Know that it's okay if you need to adjust the legs here. Our sides are naturally uneven. It's one of the joys of being human. And also, if you're practicing in the morning, you might feel a little bit creaky. So do what works for you. Hands back underneath the shoulders. Step it back, downward facing dog one more time. Take an inhale through the nose. Stick your tongue out as you exhale. Lion's breath, one more like that. Deep breath in through the nose. Tongue out, exhale. Soften your knees down, find child's pose. Feel free to stay here. Find a meditative seat or find Shavasana on your back. Take a few rounds of breath here, letting your practice settle into your bones as you prepare for your day. However you chose to Shavasana, stay there as long as you need. If you're ready to get going, get moving, make your way up to a comfortable seat. Place your hands somewhere on your body, once again finding grounding as we end our practice. Thank you so much for joining me on Yoga TX. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe to the page. And if you want to know more about me, please feel free to follow me on Instagram. My handle is at its_Crystal with 5 A's. That's CRYST, 5 A's and an L at the end. Thank you so much. Namaste.